There are some girls that have daddy issues because the father was bad.
True.
Okay, my 5. Let's see. You have to have some ambition. So whatever it is that you choose to do, be ambitious in that. Have something that you are going after. You know, I think maybe because I grew up watching my mom go to work every day and still juggle the duties of being a mom and a wife. I would probably want a woman. I don't want a stay-at-home woman, a woman that has nothing going on. Like whatever it is, you don't need to be a billionaire. You don't need to be making a lot of money, but have something that you're working on. That's 1. 2. Let's see. I would say a love for family and a love for God are very important to me because I'm a very family-oriented guy. Like I'm very into my family time whenever I can have it, and I want a woman who's about that as well. 3. Friendly, I think, because I get along. I have friends from all walks of life, so I would like a woman that's friendly. You say? Yeah, you can relate to everyone because I don't only relate with one sort of person. So I don't want somebody who is only comfortable in, ratchet places or only comfortable in boujee places. Like you have to be able to, cross the divide. 4, let's see, what else is there again?
No cooking.
No, because I like to cook, so my wife doesn't need to know how to cook.
Wow.
That's fine. I'm cool with that. It's more important to me that you are skilled in the other room than in the kitchen. So that's 4, I guess. And then 5, what else is there? I don't know, I guess that can I stop at 4?
No, but about BSc, MSc, PhD.
I think that it would be because I come from a background of an education, so I always encourage people, if you can get an education, you should. But there are some people who just didn't have that opportunity, so that's okay. But as long as you found something that you're working on and you're working on developing yourself, then that's fine too. I mean, there's some of the greatest people I know who didn't go to school. So school is not necessarily for everybody, but personal development is. You never stop learning, even if it's not in the classroom. So have that drive to develop yourself. I think that's fine.
All right, cool, that's fine.
All right, thank you. I believe we're learning. At this time, I'd like to...
Continents, we give God the glory.